Now we're going to do a little guided meditation. So I'd like to invite you to take a moment to make yourself comfortable. Maybe you'd like to take your shoes off if you're wearing shoes, loosen any tight clothing, and listen to this part of tonight's live stream, either sitting or lying down. It's entirely up to you how you choose to connect with your inner child. Don't listen to this part of tonight's live stream. If you're driving or operating heavy machinery, your attention is required elsewhere. Your attention's not required elsewhere. Settle back, take a deep breath in, breathing all the way down into your stomach. Breathe out with a big sigh and allow your eyes to close. And with your eyes closed, you can really begin to relax, let go. Focusing on your breathing, noticing the air flowing in through the tip of your nose, going all the way down into your lungs. Rising as you're breathing in, falling as you breathe out. Maybe seeing if you can notice a difference between those breaths. Maybe you'll notice that in-breath is slightly cooler than the out-breath. That's right. Maybe you can feel yourself becoming more relaxed, more at ease with the in-breath or the out-breath. Relaxation increase. Thoughts come into your mind, you can just notice them. Turn your attention to that breath. That increasing sense of comfort. Any sounds you hear can allow you to relax even more. Maybe becoming the most relaxed you've ever been. I wonder if you can remember the most relaxed you've ever been, the most comfortable and safe you've ever felt. Deeper and deeper. In a moment, I'd like you to imagine yourself standing safely and securely in an elevator. The elevator of relaxation. This elevator, there's 3 buttons. When we press the first button, that relaxation is going to increase even more. Second button might double that relaxation from there, and the third button is going to take you all the way down into the very depths of trance, the very depths of safety and comfort. Doing that now, pressing that first button. Maybe you can imagine some nice, soothing, relaxing music playing in that elevator. Second button, the more you relax, the deeper you can go. The deeper you go, the more you can relax. The third and final button, then, all the way down into the very depths of comfort and safety. Those elevator doors open. Imagine yourself stepping out into a special place. It could be somewhere you've been to before, somewhere where you feel really relaxed and calm. It could be somewhere new, somewhere you've just made up. Maybe you can imagine a sandy beach and warm and sunny day, or a meadow, path leading through the long grass, being able to reach out a hand and touch the tips of that long grass in that meadow. Smell of wildflowers, birds singing in the tree, a gentle breeze against your skin. As step you take in this space, allowing you to relax even as in the distance, walking towards you, you can see a small figure, eyes of a small child, maybe around the age of 6 years old. The child draws closer, you can start to notice that they look familiar. This is your inner child. I wonder what colour is their hair, what colour are their eyes. Maybe you had favourite clothes you like to wear. Maybe you can get a sense of yourself smiling at them. Notice them smiling back at you. As maybe you'd like to bend down, give them a hug. Tell them you're from their future. You're the only person they'll never lose. Maybe you can imagine drifting down, becoming this younger version of you once again. Looking up at the adult version. My words become your words, and your words can become your thoughts. Telling yourself, I'm from your future. I'll always be there for you, no matter what. I'll always love and accept you, no matter what. Here to help you get your needs met. Telling yourself anything else you feel that younger version of you needed to hear. Maybe you're safe and protected. I'm here to look after. Feeling that self-love, that self-acceptance. And drifting up, becoming the adult version of you once. Now drifting into the future, seeing a future version of you that's calm, or relaxed, or at ease. And that's how you'll stand when you have more confidence. And you feel more at home in this world of ours. Drifting down and connecting with that future version of you, seeing through their eyes, feeling what you feel, hearing what you hear. How calm you can be. Wonder how things will begin to change, how you will begin to change. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. When I reach the number 5, you can open your eyes, come all the way back to the here and now, feeling fantastic in every way. 1, allowing feeling to return to your feet. Maybe you'd like to wiggle those toes. 2, positive energy flows up your legs into your body. 3, down your arms into your hands. We'd like to wiggle those feet. 4, and on the next number, you can open your eyes, feeling fantastic in every way. 5, eyes open, wide awake, coming all the way back.